Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Dip and Art. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to write ayn and its several shapes. In this shape, we have two moves. If you remember, we have used this shape in the letter ha. But in this ayn letter, we have to make a little extension at the top. The head of the ayn should be of 2 dots width. And bottom cup we are making here, it ends up with a little pointy tail at the end. This second shape I'm making here is also just like the letter ha, just like the bottom of the letter ha, and top is of 3 dots width as usual. There should be 2 dot space between the end move and the head of the ayn, and rest of the shape is just like the letter ha. We have learned this before. Here I am connecting letter ayn with the letter alif, which I started just like we start the letter ba, and then ends up with the alif at the end, keeping the 1 dot space between the head of the ayn and alif. But what if the letter coming after ayn is ha, mim, ya? Then we have to use the different shape. Here I'm showing the shape we are gonna use. Let me write ayn and jim together, and the bottom of the jim and the little swirl at the end. And this is the smooth round shape. If the letter coming after ayn is moving upward, then we're gonna use this shape. Here I'm showing that the difference. But if the letter coming after ayn is moving downward, which is ha or kha, then we're gonna use this shape. I hope this is clear now. This was the point I was discussing before. Another example here is that letter coming after ayn is ba, then shape will be like this, and letter coming after ayn is kha or jim, then shape will be like that. Let me write some examples. First one is ayn, jim, and alif, and at the end ba. Focus on the examples and also do practice a lot. This word I'm writing here is asir, which is ayn, sin, ya, and ra. Let me write itr, which is ayn, twa, and ra. I hope you learned something new from me. I'll see you in our next video, inshallah. This is Megra signing off. Fi amanillah.